Ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Once upon a time, I was president. Now, I could just imagine what will happen to my country if things go awry. I will take my cue from the military. Kung sabihan nila na they will take this step, I will support it. Sige, Mayor, samahan mo kami, magpunta tayo doon sa tignan nating records. We will ask. Tapos ganun. I will follow.
As the former president, do you see the repeat of history?
No. Leave me out. Ako basta kung may mga ganong uprising, sinabi ko na sa kanila, I'm out. Wala akong participation.
But will you not?
No, nothing. I am not enjoining them. I am not telling them anything. Ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Yes, about 4 years. Kayong magsabi, yes sir, we are a loyalist bunch of critical dyan is alam nila na durugista si Presidente. Hindi nila, tanungin lang nila yung kaya isang kita mo kung hindi bangag may isang gwardiya dyan sa Presidential Guard nag-suicide, minumura if you can tap the fingers and say iho, huwag ka na masyado matulog, kunti na lang panahon. Kung ako yun isin mo, huwag ka matulog, kape ka lang, murahin mo, kaya puta na pahiya, sundalo na pagkamatay.